This is Shi Tianxu and Fei Fei Wang, and this is our special milestone for DevOps presentation. We are using a tool called Reviewboard for our special milestone. And this is a continuous integration pipeline of our system. As a developer, when you push a commit into development branch, the Jenkins will monitor it and run all the tests and build a server. If the build is success, it will push it into production, and the production server and the canary server will get used the latest build. Otherwise, if it fails, an email will be sent to developer about the fail information. For the special milestone, we have implemented the code review section. We have utilized the tool called Reviewboard to initiate a code review. Once the developer pushes the commit to the development branch, administrator of Reviewboard will be noticed and to decide whether this commit needs to be reviewed or not. If there's something going wrong with the code review process, an email will be sent to the developer to notify him that there was something wrong with the code review and he needs to modify the code again and push to the development branch. We have added 2 plugins in the Jenkins to monitor the development branch. One is this, which is a check for review that need building. It will check the reviews in the latest hour, and it will see if this review need to be considering for testing and adding to the build. Also, we add the post-build action, which requires a Git publisher. It will, when the build is success, it will push into the production branch and give a tag on it. We can see it by here. As you can see, there were many tags here which monitor every build, whether success or fail. We have added the GitHub hook into our Jenkins. As you can see, this build is triggered by a GitHub push. As for the test generation and static analysis tool, we have using RSpec Cucumber and Rubycop. This is a report generated by SimpleCop Ruby Gem. As you can see, originally it covers 93% of the code, and now after we adding some tests into the RSpec, it covers 95% of it. And this is the result given by Rubycop, the static analysis tool. It will give all the information about it. Milestone 3, we have implemented 2 servers, which is the canary server and the ordinary server, and we are using the workshop monitor to monitor it. And for this project, we have utilizing a Jenkins plugin, which called monitoring. It will give us all the information we've needed, the use memory, CPU, and HTTP sessions.
The code review tool I use is called Reviewboard, and when I log in as admin and see the new review requests, I can see all the comments I made during the testing. For example, let's look at this comment. For this comment, I can add reviews here. For example, I can add myself as one reviewer and test something here, and I click OK and publish this review request. And then I will log out of admin and log in as myself. From here, I will say new review request and click this one. I will see the review request is presented here. And then I can review it. For example, I can type in reviewed and then ship it and publish review. And if I log out and log in into admin again, we find this comment, and then I can see my review is attached here. This tool also has some other functionalities. For example, you can download your diff file here, you can review it, ship it, and you can view the diff. The diff is shown with some color blocks, which is very convenient for code reviewers to see. Also, when you review the diff, you can add comment to line number. You just click the line number, then there is a dialog shown. You can add something like ABC and then save it. The comment will be shown here. So far, we have shown how to use the web UI to do the code review, but Reviewboard can also be integrated with a command line tool called RBT tools. You can use commands like post, diff, land, patch, setup repo to do the same thing. And also currently, we have only implemented the function that when the code reviewers accept the code will be published. But when the code reviewers deny the code, we are going to implement another function that is going to automatically send an email to the developers to notify them about the failure.